You don't really become a truck driver the day you pass your CDL test. You become one in the weeks that follow, out on the road, when everything feels new and every mile asks something different of you. At first, your brain is full. Mirrors, shifting, trip planning, tandems, logs, traffic, weather, the company, all of it happening at once. You'll stall, you'll miss a turn, you'll second-guess yourself more than you expected. But here's the truth every new driver eventually learns. This is normal. This is the process. This is the part where your hands and your mind start learning the same language. And then one day, without warning, you realize you're not thinking as hard. You're just driving. You're just doing it. That's when you know you're becoming a truck driver. The road will feel huge at first. Your first time on the interstate feels like stepping into another world. The lanes feel wider. The traffic feels faster. The truck feels bigger than it ever did in school. Your heart beats a little harder. Your hands grip the wheel a little tighter. Every sound, every vibration, every movement feels amplified. Then come the moments that test you. Heavy traffic, tight truck stops, construction zones, mountain grades that stretch into the sky. At first it's overwhelming, but mile by mile your breathing steadies. Your hands relax. Your awareness sharpens. The road doesn't shrink. You grow into it. And one day you look around and realize you're not intimidated anymore. You're home out here.